You know, sometimes your dream place in the world is closer than you think, but the path to it is not always easy. Cherchez la femme, it is often said. But for me, it all started with a passion for speed and motion. The world back then was quite different than today. Without bold colors or shapes or tones, finding an escape from the gray of everyday life was not easy. And in those moments, it felt exactly like seeing the light at the end of a tunnel, and I wanted to enjoy it to the fullest. Only at such moments did I really feel alive. For a real escape from reality, sometimes it's enough to just give way to your true desires, feelings and senses. Let everything flow and carry you to a place where you feel really free. And that was a place I found back then. And I started to go there more and more often. Sometimes it was a bit on the edge. Other times the tension and excitement were replaced by disappointment. And at a time of lack of freedom, it's terribly easy to slip somewhere where we're driven by fear instead of dreams. And the love we want to live is just an empty word.
This is absolutely no time to have a wedding. You've seen what's happening out there? It's absolutely insane.
You don't want to get married at all?
No, Rachel, look. Rachel.
But I lived my life to the fullest. And I still have the same way of life. Whatever life put in front of me, no turn or crossroad could force me to change direction. I've always felt that my family and its heritage is behind me, like a brand that follows the same path. The same direction we are now heading, to find a place that will always be ours. A place of purity and power, now greener than ever.